One.
Hello everyone, I'm Elizabeth Baxter, a board member at Powerful Women. Frances Guggen, a fellow board member, and I would like to invite you to a roundtable discussion with us during the Powerful Women Conference on November 22nd. Frances is a former CEO who took a large energy company through cultural change. We recently published a study with Bain Company about cultivating talent and energy with a particular focus on supporting women in middle management. We'd like to hear your thoughts. How can we better cultivate the talent of all employees, particularly women in middle management? What should we be measuring? How can we deepen the feedback loop? How can we upskill managers? What can CEOs do to show more leadership? How can we influence CEOs? What's working well or not? What do you think is needed to accelerate change, and what's been your experience? We hope you'll come be a part of the conversation.